Okay, you can ask your doubts, but you know.
Yeah. Okay. So we are already in IT industry. It's about 3 to 4 years. So the training which you will be giving is it any specific to freshers training or experienced person can will be able to catch up.
This course will be helpful to both experienced and freshers as well. So freshers will get more knowledge, like how the experienced students will get knowledge. Will get it for freshers as well.
Okay. So how are the openings for 3 years and 4 years candidates for this testing, Selenium testing?
To be frank, as of now, the openings are available. The mostly they're taking for 3+ years of experienced students as of now. Of course, there is an hiring for the freshers as well, but most of the hiring is happening for the experienced candidates more than 3 years. Okay, but very soon, maybe in the September and October month onwards, there will be a bulk hiring. Okay, mostly the few openings will be more within a month or 2 months. I'm not sure. I'm not giving a guarantee that we are having a lot of openings in the September and October. There is a news that spreaded in the social media, some job portals. There is opportunities for the QA engineers like testers, manual and automation from the September and October. As of now, also there, but they are choosing only experienced candidates like 3+ years, 4+ years candidates.
Okay, by learning this, by having 3 years, right, we'll be able to manage for 3 plus years of experience work.
Yes, absolutely. Because if you are applying for the freshers, they won't expect any projects from you, right? So they're just asking the theoretical questions. What is meant by testing? What tools you learn? What are some OOPS concepts in Java? These type of questions will be asked for the freshers, right? But coming to the experienced candidates, how they will ask is, experienced candidate is nothing but you may kept some experience in the testing only, right? In the previous companies. At that time, the questions what you need to expect from the interviewer is they will ask what type of project you worked on the testing in previous company, what tools you used in previous company. Okay, so in that situation, the experienced people tell the tools which you learned in the course has to be used in the previous project. Getting my point? But
Yeah,
if you are fresher, you can tell that these are the tools I learned from the course in so and so institute. That is a little bit variation between the fresher and experienced. Fresher
okay.
will tell that I learned these tools from the so and so institute. Experienced candidate will tell that these are the tools used in the previous company. Right? Hope you are
Yeah,
getting.
yeah, yeah. And how about the packages?
It's purely based on your previous package. I'm not sure that for the freshers they are giving 5 lakhs, 4 lakhs, 7 lakhs, 8 lakhs. For experience they are giving 15, 20 lakhs. I won't tell the exact figure of the package how they are offering. It's purely based on your previous package. Okay. I will give an example. One of my colleague brother, his younger brother, got an offer with the manual testing for the 6 lakhs package. It's purely depends on the company and purely depends on the skills what you have. Okay, so that
As a
person got an
fresher,
offer.
he got 6 lakhs.
As a fresher, he got 6 lakhs package for the manual testing, not automation testing.
Okay,
I'm not sure that every company is offering the 6 lakhs for the manual testing for the fresher. Some companies offering only 2.5 lakhs. Some companies offering only 3 lakhs. It's purely based on the company. If that company is a product based company like Amazon, Flipkart, Google, then they will offer more than 10 lakhs as well for the manual testers. Okay, so it's purely
yeah,
based on the
okay,
company and the project what you worked on it. Okay,
okay.
any more?
No.
Other students need to wait 3 to 4 more minutes. We'll start at 9:10. If you have any queries, you can ask. Meanwhile, no doubts. Okay, cool.
Hello,
After
Raju.
Yes, yes, go ahead.
Yes, you can continue.
okay,
So, no, someone has spoken
after
now, so you can continue. I'll pitch on
okay,
next.
Mohan.
You can.
Yeah, okay. So after placing, if you have any queries in work, you will be able to support us.
No,
Not totally,
because, no,
partially.
because it comes under the support. Okay, so in this course, we are going to teach you the tools what you used in the companies, in the projects, right? But we won't give any support for your work which you are doing in your companies after getting the job. There is a dedicated persons will be there for those sessions. You can reach out them.
Okay.
Yes, Mohan Krishna, what is your doubt? Am I audible? Mohan Krishna, you are asking something, right? Okay, cool.
Hello.
Yes, yes. Go ahead. We are not able to hear you, Mohan Krishna. I think you are speaking on mute. Unmute yourself and speak, please. Okay, guys. Good. Yesterday, what we discussed, can someone brief about the things what we discussed in the yesterday session? Who attended in the yesterday's class? No one attended in yesterday's class. Hope, Nafisha, Gopiraj, Samson, all you guys are attended in the yesterday's class, right? So what we discussed in yesterday's class. Okay, cool. So yesterday we just discussed that what are the syllabus we are going to learn in our course. That's the first one. And second one is what is meant by testing. What are the tools and what are the types there in the manual and automation testing. And what are the tools we are going to learn in this course. And all these things are clearly discussed in the yesterday session, right? So yesterday I already told that today we are going to discuss about the software development life cycle. Software development life cycle. Let me share the screen. Am I audible now? Please confirm, guys.
Yes, you are audible.
Yes, sir.
So today what I'm going to do is let me open a document. Okay, good. So now we are going to see the software development life cycle. Okay, we are having six phases of in the life cycle of software development. For everything, there will be a life cycle, right? So for the tree, we are having a life cycle from seed to branches, trees, and so much life cycle is there for the trees, right? Like humans, we are having the life cycle. Similarly, for the software, also we are having the life cycle, which consists of six phases. The first one is requirement analysis. Guys, please concentrate it whether you guys are interested to join the course or not. I'm not worried about it. But even if you joined or not, this is the last demo session. Please try to listen this software development lifecycle carefully, because even if you are into a software engineer, software developer, software tester, and DevOps engineer, whoever it is, whatever role you guys are doing in your company, the software development life cycle is very important. Okay, without this, you can't understand the flow of the project is going in your company. Okay, so total 6 phases are there in the software development life cycle. First one is requirement analysis, second one is system design, third one is implementation, fourth one is testing, fifth one is deployment, and sixth one is maintenance. For this software development lifecycle, I want to give a real-time example in the construction company. Okay, 1 minute, guys. Okay, cool. Initially, I want to give one real-time example in the construction category, and later we will move on to the software. Okay. So, for example, there is a builder. That builder want to construct an apartment in a certain place. Either it may be in Hyderabad, either it may be Bangalore, Chennai, wherever it is. The builder want to construct an apartment. What that builder will do first? The builder will do the requirement analysis for the apartment. Is nothing but what are the things required to construct the apartment. Okay, so how many laborers are required, and how many iron is required, how much sand is required, how much cement is required, how many bricks is required. All the things are analyzed with the builder for the construction of that apartment. That is called requirement analysis. Okay, that builder what they will do? Well, initially they will collect the requirements of the construction apartment. Is nothing but how many flats need to be constructed, and how the flat should be, whether it may be 2 BHK or 3 BHK. That builder will collect the requirement analysis. Is nothing but the requirements which need to be used to construct the apartment. That is called requirement analysis. Now all the requirements is completed, material and the types 2 BHK or 3 BHK, everything is clear. So what is the next step? That person has to start a design of apartment. Okay, before going to practically constructing that apartment, that builder want to know how that apartment looks like, and what are the design of that apartment, and how many flats will be there, what is the design of 2 BHK, what is the design of 3 BHK, what is the design of balconies, what is the design of and vagera vagera. Okay, so all those things has to be designed with the help of the designer. Okay, once, I think you may see that even that apartments are in constructions, you guys are able to see the how that apartment looks like after construction. They will give some brochures to you how that apartment looks like, the design, the elevation of that apartment, and what is the internal sizes of the rooms. Is nothing but what is the dimensions of the rooms, what is the length and breadth of the rooms, how many meters it is, which type of hall it is. Okay, all these things can be designed in the 3D, right? That has to be called as a system design. Requirement analysis is done, what material has to be used, and second one, design is already done, how that apartment looks like after construction. These two steps are completed. Then we need to come to the implementation. Implementation is nothing but now everything is with you, material is with you, design is with you, labor is with you, everything is with you. Then you need to start a construction. You need to start a constructing an apartment. Apartment construction comes under the implementation part, that is third phase. And after completion of the third phase, we are having the phase of testing, right? So here, coming to the construction field, what is meant by testing? There, after constructing an apartment, the government will come to that apartment place, and the government has to check it whether that apartment is constructed as per the government norms or not. If it is constructed as per the government norms, they will provide the NOC certificate, non-objection certificate. If it is not constructed as per the government norms, it will collapse it and it will make a some fine on it. That is called as a testing in the fourth phase. And fifth one is deployment. Now the design is done, the implementation construction of apartment is done, testing is done. What next? Deployment is nothing but the people who bought their flats in that apartment will come and occupy their flats. That is called as a deployment. And final phase is maintenance. Once the flat owners came to their flats in the apartment, they should spend some money for the maintenance of the apartments, like common corridors and electricity bills, some watchmen, and some stuff will be there, right? That is called it as a maintenance. Are you guys clear about the apartment construction example for the software development lifecycle? If you guys are clear, then we'll go with the software example.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And coming to the software example, I want to start a business like a Zomato. Hope everyone is aware about the Zomato and Swiggy, right? So I want to start a platform like a Zomato. So I have so and so requirements, like I need so and so, or like what can I say, restaurants and all the category pages in that application. I need some requirements. Okay, I want to give a feature like a login with the fingerprint. Login with the fingerprint. Like that, we are having some features on it. All the requirements has to be collected by the company. I want to give this project to the TCS. What the TCS people will do is, the TCS people, there is a business analyst. The business analyst will collect the requirements which I expecting. Okay. So after collecting the requirements by business analyst, what they will do is that business analyst will conduct a meeting with the developer and technical associate or else technical architect, product owner, and manager. With these four people, the business analyst will. Oh, sorry, I forgot HR. HR should be there. HR also should be there. HR, financial manager, and product manager and product owner. Total, these four people will be there with the business analyst and will discuss about those requirements. Are we feasible to do this project or not? Is nothing but they will check the technical feasibility, they will check the financial feasibility, they will check the resource feasibility. Is nothing but technical feasibility is nothing but we are having the React developers. Is that React developers are enough to develop the particular project? That is called technical feasibility. Financial feasibility is nothing but we have a budget of 1 crore for this project. Is it feasible to complete that project within 1 crore or not? That is second point. And third point is resource. We are having 35 employees as of now. Is that 35 employees is enough to develop this project or not? If not, then they will discuss with the HR and they will release the calls in the job portals. There you can see that company is hiring for so and so, that company is hiring for so and so. Okay, so that's why the people are looking for immediate joiners. Okay, this is done together with the business analyst, financial manager, product owner, product manager. All these people has to be discussed with it. That is called requirement analysis. Once the requirement analysis is done, the software companies will do a prototype. Prototype is nothing but how that software looks like, a dummy software is nothing but how that software looks like after completion of the construction. That has to be shown in the form of some design like which is done in Adobe Photoshop or somewhere. What they did. I'm not sure that the tools they are using only Adobe Illustrator, whatever it is, they will use it and they will design a prototype. Once the prototype is done, it is once it is accepted by the customer, the product which is given to the TCS. Okay, then they are going to start a coding. Implementation is nothing but coding in this example. Okay, coding. Once the coding is done by the developer, next phase is testing. The tester has to test that application. Okay. Once the testing is done, if that application is passed, everything is working fine as expected in the testing, then it will be deployed to the live. How they will deploy it to the live? We are having the different servers, on-premises servers and cloud servers. Okay, cloud servers is nothing but Amazon, Azure, GCP. We are having different types of cloud management tool platforms, right? So they may use anything, or else they can use on-premises servers. Okay, on-premises servers. They can use any type of servers what they need as per their requirement. Deployment is nothing but there is a developer code in your local system. Once you are in your company, the developer develop the code in that system, and for the testing purpose, they will share that code to the tester system with the help of some version control and with the help of some central repository systems. Okay, so after sharing that, if everything is working fine, you want to make that code into the public, that app into the public, that Zomato app into the public, that everyone can download in the Play Store and App Store, right? That has to be done, is called it as a deployment. Once the deployment is done, there is a maintenance. It's nothing but in Zomato, you are having some messages, right? Pop up. Did you eat the food? Do you want samosa? Like that, we are getting some poems, right? Recently. So that is one of the maintenance, that is the new feature added to the Zomato application, which is taken care about the TCS. I'm giving an example. Zomato is not developed by the TCS. I'm just giving an example. That is called it as a maintenance. Hope you guys are clear about the software development lifecycle, right? Can't see the notepad. I didn't explain anything in the notepad, Navisha. I just explained in the PPT. That's it. I didn't explain anything in the notepad. Okay?
Raju, Notepad in essence, I think. Hello,
Yes, yes.
hello.
Yes, yes. Go. Good.
Raju, nothing. Notepad in essence, I think the picture you have shown, right? So the words are blurred. So that's the reason. Even I also, for the second step, I didn't wrote. It's requirement analysis. Second is a design, right? What is the complete terminology for that? For the design one?
Complete terminology means
In essence, what is the second stage? Because a word is blurred there in the picture. So first stage is
design,
the
design.
requirement analysis. Design, right?
Second
Okay,
one is
okay.
system design.
Okay. System design.
1
Yes,
minute.
correct. Thank you.
Clear now? Is it visible now?
Yeah, it's clear now. It's clear now. You're able to see
Uh,
that.
Any more doubts, guys? One thing, guys, I'm requesting you guys. Uh, if you are, how many of you came from Harsha Institute here? Please raise your hands. No one came from Harsha Institute. Hope everyone is from Harsha Institute, right? Please respond, guys.
No,
No. Sankalp. Apart from Sankalp, everyone is from Harsha Institute, right?
Yes, Raj.
Nushat Khan, Bhavya, Mohan Krishna, Gangireddy.
No, no, I'm not from Harsha. I'm Mohan
You are,
Krishna. I'm not from Harsha.
you are from which institute?
No, no, I'm not from
VLR.
Harsha. So I freshly joined for this VLR.
Okay, okay, cool. Sankalp, you is also from VLR, right?
what, sir?
You are also from VLR Institute, right?
No, sir, no. I am from Maharashtra, Jalna. My friend suggest me to join this course.
Okay, cool.
So we just got a link from Harsha Institute
Okay.
actually.
Uh,
I
why
don't
I'm
know what
asking is
being
the
from
people
Harsha
who join.
Institute because we stay
Okay,
we are in USA, so we just got the link, so we got in from there
okay,
actually.
okay, cool, cool, cool. Because why I'm asking is the people who came from Harsha Institute, the institute requested me to ping some message to them through the WhatsApp that you guys are joined. They are asking just confirmation whether the people are joining or not. Okay. So the people who joined from the Harsha Institute, I'm pinging the Harsha Institute number in the chat box. You guys can ping message to that you guys joined for the today. Okay. Getting my point?
Yeah, okay.
I just shared the Harsha Institute number in the chat. If you guys join from the Harsha Institute, Please ping that you guys are joined for the course today in the WhatsApp. Okay, it's only for Harsha Institute people. No need to ping any message for the people who joined other than the Harsha Institute. Okay, Sankar, you are not joined neither VLR nor Harsha Institute, right? So you joined with the friend. Okay, cool. Any more doubts?
Raju, Mohan Krishna.
Yes, yes.
Whether see yesterday when we were giving the demo, right? You have cleared that the Selenium testing course will be for the 60 hours. In a sense, it will go for 2 months, I think, right?
Yes. Mostly 60 hours.
What about the
Yes.
Sundays, weekends? So it will be holiday, or even on those days also the classes will be there.
No, actually starting Monday to Friday will be there. So after few weeks,
Okay,
we would plan for the weekends as well to complete the course. It will be based on
okay.
purely
Thank you.
flexibility of
Cleared.
the student.
Okay. Thank you. Cleared.
Any more
So,
doubts?
hi, so Siddharth this side. So this course is actually for the developers or the Q1,
I didn't get your point. What is why the developer came to picture here? I didn't get your point. Please come on again.
I mean to say that this course is built for the developers only or for the testing persons also.
Here, I'm not sure about your question, Siddharth. I thought that you were asking this course is regarding the developer or tester, right?
Right.
This course is for tester. Clearly, you can see the heading of this course. This is the manual plus automation tester. Is nothing but it is a course of tester who are willing to join in the testing roles in the software companies, not for developers.
Okay. So I joined the demo first time. So can you please brief me about something about this? I've joined the first time. So how will it will work on? What are the classes and what will the timing? All that.
So I already told in the yesterday class with us, you are if you are from Arsha Institute, then you can collect the recording yesterday class recording. You will get it, or else I will share now only. Please wait 1 minute. I will share in the chat yesterday recording. You guys can go
Okay.
through it. Okay, there I can discuss clearly what are the topics you
Okay.
guys are going to learn and everything I explain very clearly. Please go through it. Okay,
Okay. Thank you.
I shared the recording.
Raju, this is Gange Reddy.
Okay,
Hello.
yes, yes, go ahead.
This is Gange Reddy. I have a small doubt. Will you provide any tool access for the practicing session for us?
Tool access.
Tools
Tool access.
access to practice.
No, I will. We will tell you how to
Hello.
download the tool. Hello, are you getting my voice?
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Tell me. Yes. Yes. I
For
am getting
example,
you.
here, what are the tools we are going to learn? Test Drive, Jira, Selenium, IntelliJ,
Okay.
and these are the
Hmm.
some of the tools what we are going to learn. GitHub. These are the tools we are going to learn, right?
Okay.
So I will tell you how to
Yes.
download and install in your laptops. Getting my point?
Okay. Yes. Yes. Getting.
Okay. If I tell something to
Yeah.
you, if you did practically in your systems, then only you will get knowledge, right?
Yes. Absolutely.
Okay. We will give a guidance to you how to install it and how to download it and how to use it.
Thank you. Thank you, Raju. I'm clear.
I shared
Thank
the
you.
yesterday recording link in the chat box. If anyone is missed in the yesterday recording, please go through it and watch the syllabus, what you guys are going to learn. Okay. Yesterday recording session will be there on the chat box. Please make use of it. Any more doubts? Gangireddy?
Clear, Raju. Clear. And
Okay. Any
one more
other
thing.
doubt? Yes.
No. 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 I have one more doubt.
Yes. Yes.
To this domain right now, but I'm
Your voice
planning
is
to
breaking.
come the I not,
One minute, one
hello,
minute. Your voice is
is it
breaking.
audible
Please
now?
come again. Yes, yes, now it's fine.
Yeah, actually I'm a non IT background. If I come
Okay.
to the Selenium testing, if I face any, will I face any coding?
Yes,
Is
you
required
should
coding
learn the
knowledge
coding.
completely on this?
We are having two types of testings,
Hello.
Gangareddy. The first one is manual testing. Second one is
Okay.
automation testing. Coming to the manual testing,
Okay.
no need of coding is required. Coming to the automation testing, 50 to 60% of the coding is required of any OOPS concept, any OOPS programming language. Whether it may be Java,
Okay.
Python, JavaScript, whatever it is, you should learn one programming language. But anyway, in the automation course, I am going to teach you guys from the scratch Java. Okay, don't worry, even if you
Okay.
don't know anything about the program.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. I'm clear.
Good to see the good questions. Any other students want to ask the questions? Nafisha, do you have any question?
No, thank you.
Okay, any other one? Sankalp, Durga Prasad, Mohan Krishna, Nushat Khan, Gopiraj, Bhavya, Samson, Sankalp. All are clear?
Yes,
If
sir.
all clear, we'll close the
I'm
session
clear,
for the.
Raju.
If everything is clear, we'll close the session, demo session for the today. From Monday onwards, actual classes are going to be started. If you guys are interested, please think of it and enroll in this weekend itself. From Monday onwards, the link is going to be sent. The people who confirm their slot, they are going to available to join in it. Okay. So cool. So if you have any doubts, you can reach out to your institute. They will share the syllabus document to you as well if you haven't received from Harsha Institute or VLR, whatever institute it is, you guys will get it that one as well. Okay, syllabus material. Okay, cool. Thank you all. Have a nice day. We'll meet you on Monday. I'm expecting the same count of numbers on the Monday. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Raju, can you
Thank you,
stay
Raju.
for a
Thank you so much.
minute? I have a
Mhm.
doubt, so I have to.
Okay.
Can you stay for a minute?
Yes, yes. You can ask. You can ask VD. What is your doubt?
Okay. So actually, currently I'm working as a non-IT person. I have a 6 years of experience also, and
Okay.
so that's why I just want to know that it joining this course to moving in the core IT field will be helpful,
Yes, of course.
or
It could be
or
helpful.
because I think now like 6 to 7 years of experience can that companies might be want that leader or team lead kind of person in their organization, not a, uh fresher type of profiles they will offer. So that's why my I got confused to join this course
There
or
is
not.
a lot of things, VD. So as you
Mm-hmm.
said that you have 6 years of experience, right? So you can put it that 6 years experience. I have 3 years of non-IT experience, and after that I switched into the tester as a manual tester. I worked 3 years in the Accenture or TCS, whatever it is, whatever you want to make it.
Raju, I'm sorry to interrupt you. Your
So
voice is so feeble. We are not able to hear you.
you guys are not able to hear me.
For me, it's clear.
Your voice is
Then
feeble. Okay, okay.
it is your issue, Mohan Krishna. The remaining people will get it clearly.
Okay, okay. Sorted. Thank you.
Okay, VD. VD, as
Yeah.
you said that you have 6 years of experience, right? So you can make it the 3 years or 4 years you have non-IT experience, and after that, in which company you have 6 years of experience?
In Times Internet.
Times in is it a software related company?
Yeah.
The software roles
Yes.
will be there.
Yes. It's a
Correct.
software related company only.
So then you can make it as I have 4 years of non-IT. It's based on the skill set. If you want to make 3 years of testing experience, you can make 3 years in non-IT. If you want to make only 2 years of experience in testing, then you can make 4 years of non-IT, and you can keep that remaining 2 years into the manual testing. Oh, or else manual plus automation testing, you can make it and you can switch into the other company. It's not a difficult task.
Okay, okay. That was only my confusion. That's it.
For every problem, there is a solution, guys. Don't worry, don't confuse. But don't do the wrong steps. That's my suggestion.
Raju, one more doubt.
Okay?
Is there any time changes for training? Is there any evening timings
No,
only?
for evening, it's not
Night.
possible. The timings
Okay.
will be there from 9 to 10. If you guys are fine, we'll change half an hour before. If all the people are okay, we'll change 8:30 to 9:30. If you guys are okay. Okay, we'll discuss about the timings, but it shows that the timing will be there on the morning only. Okay, the period will be 9 to 10 as
Oh,
of now. But after, guys, please don't make noise. Please mute yourself. Kangaredi, please mute yourself. Getting some lot of noise. Okay. So the timings will be 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. only. Okay. If the guys are okay, we'll change half an hour before. That's it. 8:30. If you guys are okay, otherwise we'll go with only 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Nafshat Khan, you have given a question here. I have a question. So what if I don't have any experience in this field? Will this course helps us? That's what I said, right? This course is for freshers and experienced in both. It's not only freshers, not only experienced. For both, this course is
Ye-
going to be help.
Yes, Raju. Yet before VD has asked the question, right? That he is from a non-IT background, so it is for the same for myself also. Uh, I'm also from the non-IT background, so it is completely on the banking and finance job. So I'm worried about that if I get into the Selenium testing job. So because I have more than 9+ years, I have 10 years of experience, but I have a good experience with the corporate cultures and everything. So my doubt is the same that whether if I get into the Selenium testing job, so as you said, it is 60% of coding will be there. So how it will help me out to get survive into the company.
You guys can easily survive with Mohan Krishna. As you said that you have 9+ years of experience is nothing, but you have a lot of patience. You have that you have worked in the software companies, right? As you said that you have 9+ years of experience. So simply you have that
Ah,
dedication. You have that dedication to learn the language to get it very easily as compared with freshers. We have some knowledge about how the software peoples are working, how the projects are going, how the flow is there in our companies, right? So everything will be get it now very easily as compared with freshers.
that culture is I'm fine with that, but the problem is that what about the coding that because codings will be that is a major which Gangi Reddy also asked the same question, right? So
Yes, yes.
is it be very tough or how we will get? I mean, are there any
Nothing
process to
will
get
be
it from that public domain or what?
nothing will be tough, guys. It's purely based on you. Okay, so the people, for example, there is a Selenium. Sorry, there is a Java program. The Java program can be learned in 60 days, can be learned in 90 days, can be learned in 30 days, can be learned in 15 days itself. It's purely based on your efforts, what you are putting on it.
Okay, okay,
Okay, we'll support you if you have any doubts on it.
sure. Thank you, Raju.
Okay, by Bhavya, 8:30 to 9:30. We'll discuss the timings, but as of now, the timings fixed for 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. only. Okay, you guys
Okay.
can consider the timing only 9 to 10. After everyone is okay, then we can discuss the timings. The remaining people, what about you guys, remaining people? Is everyone is okay if I take a session from 8:30 to 9:30? Just keep a chart. No need of speaking. Just keep a chart in the chart. It's enough. We have two slots, 8:30 to 9:30 or else 9 to 10. Because why I plan to keep that 9 to 10, most of the women are busy with their children's best and women's or men's, whoever it is, busy with their children's to sending the schools, right? So that's the reason I kept 9 to 10 instead of 8 to 9. Okay. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. We'll discuss. As of now, the timing will be 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. On Monday, we are going to start a class number one. Hope I'm expecting the same count of numbers in the Monday as well. So have a nice day. Please reach out to your institutes to know the more details about the fees and all the structures. So thank you all. We'll meet you all again on the Monday. Have a nice day.